One calm evening, Moacha, the cozy cat, sat by the window looking outside. He saw the birds flying back to their nests, and it made him feel all warm inside. Moacha thought about his home, a safe and loving place. Moacha realized something wonderful. He felt so happy and thankful for his home, his family, and all the love around him. It was like a big, fuzzy hug around his heart. Moacha found out that this feeling was called gratitude. It's when you say, "Thank you, life," for all the good things you have. Moacha understood that gratitude was like a magic key that could open the door to happiness. Now every day Moacha said thank you for his home, his family, and all the love. And every day felt like the coziest, happiest day ever.